Geneva hauzik chathariba United Nations Human Rights Council gi 𝗩𝗪 suba session da kokomi gi wangangloi oiriba amadi IPSA IPSA gi Vice President oiriba 𝗂𝗓𝗔 𝗪𝗏 Declaration and Program of Action Manipur da chatnahanaba taksinkhre. United Nations Human Rights Council gi 𝗩𝗪 suba session aduda saruk yariba 𝗂𝗓𝗔 General Divid Agenda item gi matung inna housing Manipur amadi India gi awang nongpok singda state singda thokliba misimina amadi miyoibagi hak khongawnariba yalhau mi singna mayoknariba awaba kaya gi matangda wafam pukhatkhi. Masiga loinana namthariba miyam asigi hak singbu yokhatnaba chap chaba thabak sing laukhatpada malem gi laibak singna mateng pangbinaba amadi 𝗩𝗏 Declaration and Program of Action gi chana kanglon sing matik chana Manipur da su chatna hanbiu taksinki.
With the Vienna Declaration's demands the urgent need for a comprehensive approach. Decades of conflict rooted in historical grievances and compounded by colonial legacies have hindered progress and fractured communities. Applying the VDPA principles requires inclusive dialogue among stakeholders, including government authorities, ethnic groups and CSOs. Acknowledging grievances and fostering mutual understanding is essential for laying the groundwork for sustainable peace and development. Upholding human rights and ensuring accountability for abuses are paramount. Transparent mechanisms for justice, including independent investigations and reconciliation processes, are essential for healing societal divisions and building trust. By embracing the VDPA principles, India can chart a path towards a more peaceful and inclusive future in Northeast region. In the light of situation of ongoing violence in Manipur affecting other neighboring states like Mizoram, Assam and Sagaing and Chin states areas in Myanmar, it is imperative for all stakeholders, including the government, CSOs and international partners, to redouble their efforts towards finding sustainable solutions to the region's challenges. We urge international organizations, including this council, to support initiatives aimed at promoting peace, human rights and development in Indo-Myanmar border areas of Northeast India by facilitating inclusive dialogue, providing developmental assistance and ensuring accountability for human rights violations. Together we can work towards a brighter future for the region in line with the spirit of Vienna Declaration.